will discover some of the coolest camping gear and gadgets on Amazon. We've got the ultimate lineup to elevate your outdoor experience. Let's take a look at the camping kit by Mars Player. This isn't your average camping gear, y'all. Mars Player has truly outdone themselves with this innovative design. Its 3 modules for cooking cover all your culinary needs in the great outdoors, and a far-infrared heater ensures you're cozy even when temperatures drop. It also includes a lighting system to guide you in the dark. Customers can't stop raving about its portability, efficiency, and versatility. Revolutionize your camping experience with this environmentally friendly and technologically advanced camping gear. Next, we've got the Wuben X3 EDC Flashight, shining bright at $70. This is not your typical flashlight, it's the Swiss Army knife of flashlights. Imagine having wireless charging in a flashlight. Well, stop imagining because the Wuben X3 has it. It also features a 180-degree rotating head and dual LEDs, one white and one red for versatility. Its lightweight design and magnetic base make it a breeze to carry and use. This compact, durable flashlight is perfect for all your outdoor activities, from late-night hikes to setting up camp after sundown. Light up your adventures with this powerful and reliable flashlight. Moving on, we have the Space Acacia, a steal at $289. Crafted for durability and top-notch quality, the Space Acacia offers an impressive 4-ply airfloor for your kayaks and stand-up paddleboards. It also features a pop-up tent that laughs in the face of harsh weather conditions and a versatile canopy to keep you covered. And if you thought that was the end of it, think again. Space Acacia also throws in a range of camping accessories and portable power products to keep your outdoor adventures well lit and charged up. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Upgrade your outdoor adventures with the Space Acacia. Next on the menu, we're cooking up a storm with the Jetboil Genesis, priced at $250. This baby is definitely worth every penny. It is built to provide a home-cooked meal in the great outdoors. How about whipping up a stew under the stars, or brewing coffee amidst towering pines? With the Jetboil Genesis, you can do just that. Its portability makes it a breeze to carry, while its efficiency ensures you won't be left hungry. And here's the cherry on top. It's not just a stove, it's a complete cooking system, primed to make your outdoor culinary adventures a piece of cake. Bring the comfort of home cooking to your camping trips with the Jetboil Genesis. Now we're powering up with the Ranger 1000 backpack, a powerhouse at $1,200. This is not just a backpack, folks, it's a walking power station. With a 30L capacity, you can pack in all your essentials and still have room for more. But what makes it truly exceptional is its 1,000-watt power supply. Talk about packing a punch. It's like carrying a mini generator on your back, powering up your cameras, drones, and e-bikes on the go. And here's the clincher. It has adjustable ambient lights and signal lights. Now you can literally light up the path ahead. But what if it rains, you ask? No worries. It comes with a rainproof cover. Safety? Check. It has a lithium iron phosphate battery, a BMS safety management system, and an aluminum case. This bag is as tough as they come. Power your outdoor adventures with the Ranger 1000 backpack. Next up, we've got the Design Pathfinder V2, a handy tool at $69. This multi-tool is made from high-quality titanium grade 5. It's built to last. With an interchangeable blade knife, you can switch out blades with ease, keeping your tool sharp and ready. But that's not all. This little gem also serves as a pry bar, a screwdriver with a 1/4-inch hex bit hole, a bottle opener, a ruler, and a file. It even supports tritium tubes for those late-night adventures. Be prepared for any situation with the Design Pathfinder V2. Sharpen your survival skills with the MSK1 primitive knife, priced at $100. Now this is one hell of a knife. It's a survival, emergency, tactical, disaster, and adventure knife system all rolled into one. Talk about multitasking. The adaptable sheaths and handle survival kit turn this knife into a dynamic tool that can adapt to your needs. Remember those Build-A-Bear workshops when you were a kid? Well, with the Build-A-Knife app, you get to customize your own knife. Think of it as Build-A-Knife, minus the fluffy stuffing. Users rave about its versatility, performance, and craftsmanship. It's like the Swiss Army knife had a baby with a transformer. Survive and thrive in the great outdoors with the MSK1 primitive knife. We're getting down to business with the Iron Forest Jack Multi-Tool, a solid choice at $50. It's the Swiss Army knife's outdoorsy cousin. With its stainless steel blade, you can whittle a marshmallow stick or fend off a bear. Okay, maybe not a bear, but you get the idea. The paracord handle isn't just there to look pretty either. It's a literal lifeline in survival situations. Need to build a shelter? You're covered. Got a can of beans but no can opener? No problem. The Iron Forest Jack Multi-Tool's got you covered. Be prepared for anything with the Iron Forest Jack Multi-Tool. Time to relax and kick back with the Nemo Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair, a comfy deal at $250. This camping chair is designed with your comfort in mind, boasting ease of use and stability. Now imagine lounging in a chair that offers a hammock-like experience. That's right. This chair features a swinging seat and an auto-recline mechanism. It's perfect for stargazing or just chilling by the campfire. It's like having your own portable hammock, but without the hassle of setting it up. So, if you're a fan of relaxation and the great outdoors, you've got to get your hands on this. Relax and enjoy the great outdoors with the Nemo Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair. You've been wanting to get rid of those damn pests. Check out the Evo Repel, a bargain at $90. This isn't your average mosquito repellent, folks. It's a triple threat, packing a punch as a camping lantern and a power bank too. The Evo Repel employs double-sided heating technology for an enhanced mosquito repellent effect. Because who wants to get bit up by a bunch of mosquitoes, right? It features dual protection modes to suit your coverage needs, whether you're in a cozy tent or sprawling campsite. And let's not forget the powerful Cobb LED light that adjusts to your preferred brightness and color temperature. Plus, with its long battery life, you can keep your outdoor experience lit and pest-free for longer. Enjoy pest-free outdoor adventures with the Evo Repel. Let's clip in with the Kootenay Carabiner, an essential at $60, a high-flying marvel crafted from aviation-grade titanium alloy. This stuff is as tough as it gets, and corrosion-resistant too. The Kootenay Carabiner sports a unique mountain shape, echoing the rugged terrains it's built to conquer. Its double-zone safety design ensures your gear stays put while you're out adventuring. And here's the kicker. It comes with a back clip for versatile everyday carry. Whether you're an EDC enthusiast, a prepper, or just someone who loves the great outdoors, this carabiner is your reliable sidekick. Secure your gear with the reliable and stylish Kootenay Carabiner.